Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another A Trades. Today's date is October the 19th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. This system actually has two scalping indicators. First one is the Super Scalper, that's this one right here. Changes from blue to yellow. Yellow is down, blue is up, we're buying when it's blue. And then of course we have the goal line. So that is an excellent scalping indicator along with the super signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows here. This indicator, it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5-minute time frame. So what I'm doing every morning at 6 o'clock approximately, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision if I want to be buying or selling, then I just manually put in this white arrow. Now once you get the signal, you'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see right here. One of them will be for scalping, that will be with the Super Scalper, and the other one, buy and sell alerts, that is with the arrows. Now here is my daily trade plan EA. It's running in real time. We're either going to have signals for buying and or selling, and if it's neutral like this crude oil, it'll just say either waiting for clear direction or not enough strength. Now if you are trading and you are not using some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are failing. As my mentor told me more than 16 years ago, the reason why very high percentage of traders are failing is because they don't have any kind of a daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or if you're interested in buying, well, all you got to do is just Skype me, and there is a link right below this video that'll give you immediate connection with me through Skype. Okay, now we can run a check on these trades I did this morning. Got in all the trades around approximately 6:30 and I closed them all out right about 9 a.m. So it's 6:30, 7:30, 8:30 for two and a half hours of work today. It's a pretty good total. And now I am, when most people in the world are starting their day jobs, let's say it's an office job, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, I am already done working for the day. And that is one of the reasons I got into trading more than 19 years ago, as I wanted to work a lot less and of course make a lot more money. So I ended up buying all the instruments. As you can see here, they were all buys. So let's see where we got in here. Drag and drop this up. Got in here and it could have easily just broke this top and kept going all the way up. But the market is very random and the market's going to do what the market wants to do. It'll do whatever it pleases. All you can do is watch for trade setups, take the trade, and see what you're going to get. But anyhow, at this point, after I saw these couple of candles here, I decided, well, it's struggling way too much, and so time to get out. Now Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be let's see, should be about 10. Got out at this cursor, there it is right there, 10 ticks, and that paid out $100. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Another one I bought. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. I knew it was going to go up. How much? I don't know. Nobody really knows. All you can do is just trade and grab as many pips and ticks as possible. So let's see. Took the trade at this cursor. When you're buying, inside the cursor it's blue. When you're selling, it's red. And this little dotted line here will match up with the same color. So got in at this cursor and I closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 23 pips, and those pips paid out $134. Moving along to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 27. So let's drag and drop this up. So I wanted to be buying according to the daily trade plan, and another one that just wouldn't go. Went a little bit, enough to turn it into a winner, but that's okay. As long as I get 200 or more pips and ticks every day I trade, I'm happy with that. So we're looking for 27. There it is right there. As soon as did have it, there it is right there, 27 ticks, and that paid out $135. Moving on to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now on the euro dollar, this one pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So let's see where I got in at. And looking at the money, don't need a calculator for this, it should be 30. Bought it at this cursor, close it out up here as it was bouncing around the ADR. So I figured time to get out, which is exactly what I did, locking in 30 pips, and that paid out $300. Moving along to the next trade, which is the euro yen. Another one. Looks like the euro was the driving force. It could have been the yen too, as you can see on the meter. Both the yen was very close to a bus driver. This USD is a bus driver, as it is 20% or less. So we're selling the yen up against the euro, which we're buying. So euro yen will be going up. It's exactly what it did. So let's see where I got in at, right here at this cursor, and I close it out up here. It still can go up and hit the ADR up there, but like I said earlier, I'm finished trading for the day. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out here. Looks like with about 45 pips, and that ended up paying out $307. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. It's right at the end here. Another one I wanted to be buying. There's the arrow reminding me, and it could have easily broke the top here and kept going up to the ADR, and it can still do it. It's not even 10 o'clock in the morning. Many times some of these indexes, they'll start moving even after 10 or 11 in the morning, and it can easily either go up to the top ADR or to the bottom ADR low here. Quite possible to do that. So I took the money, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it's 62. So let's see if we can go find that number, 62. It looks like it's going to give me a bit of a hard time, but it is 62. And looks like I'm not going to be able to show it right on, but it's actually 62.4. And so those 62 ticks paid out $312. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Another one based on the Euro strength. It's still at the top here on the meter. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Right at this cursor here, and I closed it out. It almost hit the ADR actually, but that's okay. Looks like I was happy with 48 pips, and those pips paid out $349. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 28 ticks. So let's see where I got in at. Got in at this cursor, bought it. Closed it out here, just being happy. You remove the last two digits, so it's 28. And 28 ticks, paid out $574. So another great day of trading. I knew it was going to be over 200. Pips and ticks, grand total came to 273. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,212. So if your system's not producing, like my Super Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions, or if you want to buy, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. So my contact information and a lot of other information is right below this video. And all you got to do is look in the description, and you will see my phone number. You can pick up the phone and call me, or you can send me an email. Now, I do prefer Skype. I made it really easy for you. There's a link down there. All you got to do is click on the link, and we will have Skype connection, even if you think you don't have Skype. And of course, through Skype, I'll be able to answer your questions. Now, another thing is, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And keep in mind that you're going to need, fair amount of education if you want to succeed at trading. And I can provide you with a lot of education. Pricing is also right below this video on the 4 different packages. I do have 4 special limited time offers, and if you send me an email, I can email you the 4 different packages. If you want up to a 50% discount, well, I offer that package also. So anyhow, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe, okay? Bye for now.